What's up, guys? Rant Roller coming to you again, live in location. No, nah, we will be going live soon, but not yet. Anyway, I know you're looking at this saying, Rant, what is this? A damn review of some dry cleaning? No, this ain't no dry cleaning. This is unboxing. Well, I already unboxed it, but I spared you guys me taking it out of the cardboard box, packaged and shipped nicely from Revzilla, of this T-Faster air jacket from Alpinestars. It's a motorcycle jacket. All right. Nice job, Revzilla. Shout out. Nice packaging. Got a good price on it. So I'm doing this with my camera phone, guys. Bear with me as I take this plastic off and try to hold up the jacket for you guys to see. Black and white. Know if you guys can see this. Yeah, man. For you guys that don't know, I recently purchased a motorcycle. It's in the shop right now, getting some fine tuning. I had an issue with it starting, but the shop just got back to me today. They fired it up, got it started. Now they're gonna change the oil, look over a couple of other things, and we should be ready to roll, man, with the GoPro. Probably coming this weekend. I'm not giving you guys a date on this video, so that doesn't mean much to you guys. But in the next couple of days. All right. And this is my first motorcycle jacket. I did a review of my Bell helmet, and I bought this jacket. Let me show you guys the back of it now. I bought this jacket to match, black and white. And wish it was somewhere in here I could hang this up. Be patient with me, guys. This jacket is heavy. I don't want it to tear down rods in here. You know, my wife will have a fit. You tore down the damn rods. Tore down the damn washing machine rod. Okay, anyway, there it is. All right. I'll do a review, and I'll also do another video of, it's heavy too. I didn't think it would be that heavy on the website when I looked at it, because it's a summer jacket. But it has armor already in it. I can feel armor in the shoulders, okay, in the elbows, and yeah, in the elbows here. And it has a place in the back where you can put armor in the back. That's the only thing it doesn't come with stock, is a armor plate for the back, for you protecting your spine. You have to buy that separately. But for what I paid for this, $159, it looks pretty solid, all right? I'll do another video where I'm actually wearing the jacket, and you guys will be able to see me with the jacket on and the helmet, and I'll tell you how it really feels, how it really performs in warm weather and chillier weather. Only thing I won't do is take a tumble on the ground and scorpion dude, so you guys can see how it handles being scuffed up against the pavement. Hopefully I never have to do that. All right. See you guys next time. Rant Roller out.